Let me ask you something real quick. Do you ever lie in bed at night and think, am I actually on track? Or am I just hoping things magically work out? Because here's the scary part. Most Americans don't realize they're off track until they're 45, stressed, and out of time. Today, I'm going to show you a realistic investing roadmap that can help an average American become a millionaire before age 50. No crypto hype, no lottery mindset, no buy my course nonsense. Just smart, boring, proven investing explained like a normal human being. And trust me, this is way more doable than you think. Method 1. The wake-up moment. Relatable story. I remember a moment that hit me hard. A few years ago, I was sitting in my car outside a Target parking lot. You know, one of those I just went in for one thing and spent $87 trips. I checked my bank app, did some mental math, and thought, wait, if I keep living like this, how am I ever supposed to retire? I wasn't broke, but I wasn't building anything either. And that's where most Americans are stuck. Not failing, just drifting. So let's talk about how millionaires don't drift. Method 2. The millionaire math. Simple and psychological. First, let's kill a myth. You do not need a six-figure salary to become a millionaire. You need time, consistency, and investing, not motivation speeches. Here's the math in plain English. If you invest $500 a month starting in your early 30s and earn an average 8 to 10% return, which the US stock market has historically done, you're looking at around $1 million by age 50. That's it. Not sexy, not viral, but extremely real. The problem? Most people never start or they start too late. Method 3. The smart investing roadmap. Step by step. Let me break this into a roadmap you can actually follow. Step 1. Stop treating investing like gambling. If investing feels stressful, it means you're probably doing it wrong. Millionaires explain investing like this. I buy pieces of the American economy and let time do the heavy lifting. That means index funds, ETFs, long-term mindset, not checking your app every 12 minutes like it's Instagram. Step 2. Use the American system to your advantage. Here's the part schools never teach. America literally rewards investors. Things like 401ks with employer matches, Roth IRAs, tax advantages that favor long-term investing. Skipping these is like refusing free money because the paperwork feels annoying. Millionaires aren't smarter, they just use the system instead of ignoring it. Method 3. Automate everything because willpower is a scam. Let's be honest, motivation is unreliable. Some months you're disciplined, some months Chick-fil-A wins. That's why automation is powerful. Millionaires don't decide to invest each month. It just happens automatically before they can spend the money. If the money never hits your checking account, you don't miss it. Out of sight, into investments, future you says thank you. Method 4. The real enemy, psychological shift. Here's the real reason most people never become millionaires. Lifestyle inflation. New raise, new car. More income, more subscriptions. Bonus, vacation instead of investments. Millionaires don't avoid fun, they just delay upgrades. They understand one powerful truth. You can look rich now or be wealthy later. You rarely get both at the same time. Method 5. What I'd do if I was starting today. If I was starting from scratch today in America, this would be my focus. Live slightly below my means, invest automatically every month, increase contributions every raise, ignore short-term market noise, stay boring longer than everyone else. That's it. No secret hack, no fancy strategy, just patience, which ironically is the hardest skill of all. Conclusion. Here's what I want you to remember. Becoming a millionaire before 50 isn't about being special, it's about being intentional. Most Americans don't fail financially, they just never slow down long enough to choose a direction. If you start today, even imperfectly, you're already ahead of most people. And one day, future you won't remember the target receipts, but they will remember the moment you finally took control. If your goal is real wealth, not fake flexing, hit subscribe. This channel is built for you. And tell me in the comments, what age are you starting from? I'll see you in the next one.